Good morning students. Today we are going to learn two special triangles, that is equilateral triangle and isosceles triangle, and let us learn their properties. First, equilateral triangle. As you all know that in equilateral triangle all the three sides are equal. First property. Second property, all the angles of a triangle are equal and hence each of them is of 60 degrees. So these are the two properties of equilateral triangle, that all the sides are of equal length and all the angles are equal. As all the sides are equal, therefore their angles is also equal and each of the angle measures 60 degree. Now let us learn about isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, any two sides are equal. If I take that this side is equal to this side, then the angle opposite to equal sides are equal. It means these two sides are equal. Which is the angle opposite to this side? This one. And which is the angle opposite to this side? This one. So if these two sides are equal, it means these two angles are also equal. So this is the two properties of isosceles triangle. Also note down these properties in your notebook. I will give you a PDF along with this video. Now based on the properties which we have just discussed, let us try these. Given on page number 123, you have to draw the triangles with pencil in your notebook and write down the answers. First is find the angle x in each figure. You can see the figure. These two sides are equal. Hence, these two angles are also equal. You can see the angle opposite to this side is this. The angle opposite to this side is this. So, if these two sides are equal, therefore these two angles are also equal. It means x is equal to 40 degree. Now, next question. You can see these two sides are equal. So, the angle opposite to this side is this and the angle opposite to this side is this. It means this and these two angles are equal. Therefore, if this is 45 degree, this is also 45 degree. Now in a triangle, we will use angle sum property. Therefore, x plus 45 degree plus 45 degree is equal to 180 degree. The angle sum property of triangle. That sum of three angles must be equal to 180. Now 45 plus 45 is 90 degree. Hence, x is equal to 180 minus 90. Therefore, x is equal to 90 degrees. Moving on to the third question. These two sides are equal. Therefore, the angle opposite to this side is this and the angle opposite to this side is this. It is directly that given that x is equal to 50 degree. Now moving on to the next question number 4. This is the figure. You can see these two sides are equal. Hence, which two angles are equal? Angle opposite to this side and angle opposite to this side are equal. It means if this is x, this will also be x. Now in a triangle, the sum of the angles, that is x, x and 100, must be equal to 180 degree. So x plus x is 2x plus 100 is equal to 180 degree. I will take 100 on that side. It will become minus 100. 180 minus 100 is 80 degrees. 2x is equal to 80. So x is equal to 80 divided by 2. It means x value will get as 40 degrees. Next question, fifth question, try it out as an homework. So I am giving you homework. Sixth question now. You can see here, these two sides are equal. The angle opposite to this side is this and the angle opposite to this side is this. So if this is x, it means this will also be x. Again the same method. The sum of the angles in a triangle is 180. We'll write x plus 40 is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, x plus x is 2x. Taking 40 on that side, 180 minus 40 is 140 degree. So, x is equal to 140 divided by 2, which is 70 degrees. Therefore, x is 70 degree. Now, moving on to the seventh question. This is an exterior angle of the triangle. So, here we will use exterior angle property, or we can use linear pair. First, let us understand which are the two equal sides. These are two equal sides. So, the angle opposite to this side is this. The angle opposite to this side is also x, because these two are equal. Now, if you consider the linear pair, these two are linear pair, forming a linear pair. So, in linear pair, x plus 120 must be equal to 180 degree, forming a linear pair. Therefore, if I take 120 on that side, it will become 180 minus 120, that is 60 degrees. So, x is 60 degrees. Next question, I am giving you homework, 8th question homework. Now 9th question, see the figure, we have to find the value of x. These two angles are equal, so the angle opposite to this side will be this, and the angle opposite to this side is this. It means these two angles are equal, therefore if this is x, this will also be x. Now which are these two angles? Can you identify these two angles? They are making cross. It means they are vertically opposite angles, and vertically opposite angles are always equal to each other. Therefore, x is equal to 30 degree as they are vertically opposite angles. As the vertically opposite angles are equal. Now moving on to the second question of try these. Now question number 2, find angles x and y in each of the following figure. First figure is given to you where this is x, this is y and this is 120. These two sides are equal. It means the angles opposite to this sides are equal. So, angle opposite to this side is this, and this is angle opposite to this side is this. So, therefore, these two angles are equal. So, if this is y, this will also be y. Now, you can see that this is forming linear pair. So, by linear pair formula, we can write y plus 120 must be equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, y is equal to 180 minus 120 degrees, that is 60 degrees. So, we got the value of y. So, if this is 60, this will be also 60. Now, we can find the value of x by the angle sum property of triangle. So, by angle sum property of triangle, we can write that x plus y plus y. But how much is y? 60. So 60 plus 60 must be equal to 180 degree. 60 plus 60 is 120 degrees. So x is equal to 180 minus 120. That is equal to 60 degrees. So x is also 60 degree. It means it is an equilateral triangle. Now moving on to the second question. This is the figure where this is given 90 degree. X is here and y is an exterior angle of a triangle. Again observe the two equal sides. These are two equal sides. So which two angles are equal? This and this. So if this is x, this will also be x, and this is given 90 degree. So if we consider angles as property of triangle, we can write x plus 90 must be equal to 180 degree. Now x plus x is 2x plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, 2x must be equal to, if we take 90 on that side, it will become 180 minus 90. So x is equal to 90 divided by 2. This 2 I have taken down. Therefore, x is 45 degree. Now this is 45, this is 45. We can find y. How? Again by linear pair. You can see that this is forming a linear pair. This is straight line and two angles with one arm are called linear pair. So, by linear pair, we can write x plus y must be equal to 180. But how much is x? X is 45 degree. So in place of x, I can write 45 degree plus y, which is equal to 180. Taking 45 on that side, I will get the value of y, 180 minus 45, which is 10 minus 5, 5. 17 minus 4, 135 degree. Hence y is 135